guys, we're back on Dude Theft Wars, and today I'm going to teach you how to steal a fighter jet. Which fighter jet shoots rockets, and I would say with decent certainty that is the fastest thing in the game. So what you have to do is you have to go to Uber, which is obviously a rip-off of Uber, and you have to go to Aeroplane, and all you have to do is watch one advert, and you'll be able to go, what the hell's happening? No, it reset my game, That's stupid. Okay, so I'm going to just do that again. And pick up my scalp. So, yeah. All you have to do is, you have to go to the phone, go to Uber, or watch an ad to get a plane, and then you drive to the fighter jet. Oh, I kept clicking on the wrong thing. That was stupid. Airplane. Please don't do what I did last time. Okay, good. And then luckily I don't think you get any wanted level for this. Actually, a lot of times you don't. So that's good. That's one good thing, because then you don't have to do it to police, but they're really not a problem if you have a fighter jet. So yeah, they are really easy to crash though, so you might have to watch another ad if you crash it. And this for on the aircraft carrier where you get it from. So if you use up all 4, then go. So what you're going to want to do, go to the map, zoom fully out like that, and just click on this thing. The aircraft carrier is so big, can't miss it. And then you just got to fly there. Take off. Oh, you have to pull down. Oh yeah, that makes sense. So it's just over here, and if I'm gonna try to do something. Oh, I might have to do it when I'm out the plane, but it's really not that important, so I'm not gonna do it. But there's 2 different characters. I'm playing as Richie, which is you have to unlock, but it's really hard to unlock. Yeah. You have to do a bunch of quests. Oh, my voice just completely went to do it. I might film me doing the quest on my iPad. I don't think I will do, because I have to film it holding my phone to record it, or my mum could do it, but I don't think I'm gonna do it because it takes over an hour. Try to sort out my voice. Is my voice working now? No, not really. So there we go, we took off. Oh my god. So I'm gonna go just really quickly get 5 stars, because that's fun. I'm just gonna let go of it and let it get into the military base. So I'm going to just try bomb the military base. So I'm going to go up really high and then just turn the controls down. Okay. I'm just going to turn it all down. So now it's just ascending. Oh, I didn't come close enough to get 5 stars. Oh no! I didn't actually get the stars, so that's good. I can't be bothered to watch another ad. Wait. Oh yeah, there's also cheat codes. My first video was on cheat codes, but it had no sound, and it was kind of disaccurate because I didn't quite know by then. So that's just one of them to make it go fast. So I'll make a separate video on them. So that's cool. set the waypoint there. Oh, did I set it? No. I basically know where it is, but I just like to definitely know. Okay, there. These helicopters are so problematic to control. Oh no. Oh, these things are so problematic. Oh my god. It's sending me straight backwards. Oh my god, I hate these things. Couldn't be bothered to watch another ad though. It's really pointing straight at the ground. Oh, I'm rich escaping already. Expected it to be a bit harder. If they catch up to me, then when I land, I'll just get in a fighter jet. Then I won't be able to. You can basically survive any fall in this game, so that's cool. Oh, escaped. I prefer these colour ones. I'm not sure why, but I just feel like they're bigger. I don't think they are, but I just feel like it. I'm just gonna bomb the police station. Start from the military. Gonna bomb the police station. After this, I'm gonna try to bomb the thingamajig. Again. Oh no! Wait, what the? I am under the map. I am under the map. Wait, infinite money glitch, infinite money glitch. Oh my god, infinite money glitch. No, I thought it was infinite money glitch. Like, for some reason the game is completely broken and I didn't take any damage. And when you fall in this game, for some reason, you take like damage. Well, obviously you take damage, but for some reason you get like you get money for doing it. So that's a bit confusing. But that's cool because I basically got infinite money glitch because the game is bugging out. I didn't really use it. I didn't get to. And I'm going to make a separate video about this stuff because it's cool. And like, I haven't made a video on this game in a while, but I have a AK-47 shotgun, SMG. So I'll just show you how much this stuff is. 500, 1,000, 3,000, 2,800, 150. This is the most expensive thing in the game. It's 8,000 or 9,000. So that's it. I have the most expensive thing in the game, and I spent about the same amount on bullets too. Yeah. So I just spent so much on bullets, so which he won't run out. Wait, what? Kitty aggravators. It's not really cheap because you can just search all of them up on Google. I'm just going to try find someone because this gun is insane. It can just literally wreck anything. Hi, are you having a nice dance? Oh yeah. Thanks for your service. Thanks for your service. Gone. Oh yeah. My team Man United are losing to Fulham right now, which is stupid. Goodbye. I'm surprised this is not what we did to Fulham. We're actually wrecking them. Fulham suck. Oh no, man. I'm getting out the minigun. That's the only one that can deal with this. Yes. I went silent because I was just going sweat mode. You can save the game to save your money and progress and stuff. So that's cool. Come at me. For some reason, police officers can go through walls, which is a really big advantage. I don't want to go there. I'm done. Okay, they still want to come. I wouldn't use the minigun at all long range, nor would I use a shotgun, but the AK is really good for long range shots. The other character has freeze, which is so much better than slow-mo. This is the character you start with. Oh, got him. I'm just way too good for these police officers. Well, I don't know. Done. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. Goodbye.